We've already seen a pair of rumors for the upcoming Honor Magic 9, but we are now getting our first set of details for the Magic 9 Pro Max. This would be the higher-end option in the Magic 9 series, and it is said to bring notable camera upgrades. According to Chinese tipster Smart Pikachu, Honor Magic 9 Pro Max will arrive with dual 200MP sensors for its main and periscope telephoto cameras. In addition, the device will feature enhanced image stabilization and enhanced video recording capabilities. The phone is also rumored to use the upcoming Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6 chip, which might be built on a 2nm TSMC process. The device will likely sport a 6.8-inch to 6.89-inch 1.5K LTPO OLED flat screen with 2.5D curved glass. Features include a 3D ultrasonic fingerprint scanner, 3D face unlocking. The battery is said to be huge at 8,000 mAh and should support wireless charging. The flagship of the Magic 9 lineup, possibly launching in October 2026, around the same time Apple usually releases new iPhones. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.